emergency for New York City. This is a potential mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for New York County until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At midnight Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large, violent and extremely dangerous tornado was located near New York City, or near Brooklyn, moving southwest at 55 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for New York City. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, you're in a life-threatening situation. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a storm shelter. Mobile homes will offer no protection from this tornado. This tornado is rated EF5 and has wind speeds of 315 miles per hour. Take immediate tornado precautions. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: New York, New York.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York County Emergency Management Agency. Mass destruction from the tornado that struck New York City have been received. Many buildings in the vicinity are heavily damaged or destroyed, cars were found miles away, trees are uprooted, and many roads have been blocked by debris from the tornado. The National Guard will be attempting to search for any survivors. All residents in New York City are advised to stay in their shelters at this time. Do not call 911, as the telephone lines are busy at this time. Construction crews will take several years to repair the damages caused by the tornado. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.